Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another wig review from Alipearl hair. Look, they sent over the cutest little mirror. I was surprised, pleasantly surprised, and then they sent over a couple more goodies needed to complete the style. So I'm just gonna start by putting on my wig cap, and then I'm gonna show you guys the wig. So this is the wig that we're gonna be reviewing today. This is an 18-inch ready to go curly 4x7 closure wig. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all of that stuff. It comes with 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back, and an adjustable strap. And I like how they put the adjustable strap like in the middle, like right at the lace, because that just makes it look better whenever you're trying to put it on. I'm just gonna start by tinting my lace. I don't have my usual tinting spray, but I'm using my foundation color, and I'm just adding a little bit of that to the lace so it can match my what I have on, because I have on makeup right now, so it can match my skin perfectly. And then we're going to try it on. I'm going to try it on with the elastic band first, and this is how I do it. I put the elastic band on, make sure that it's nice and snug. Of course, you can adjust it to your head so that, I mean, whatever's comfortable for you, because if it's too tight, you don't want to get a headache, but you don't want it to be loose. You want it to be snug and fitting like how mine is. Look how they look right when you put it on. It's giving scalp. It's very much giving scalp. So they did a really good job plucking the hairline. This is a ready to go wig, so you can just put it on and be gone. And me putting it on, I love how the curls already look. Now these curls are like lightweight, so they are like very light and airy. So yeah, like straight out the pack, this is what they look like. They already look good, but we're just gonna do a little bit more to it. Not much, because there's not really much to do. So I'm just creating my part, making sure that it's nice and defined where I want it to be. I'm separating the curls so I can just get a feel of what I need to do. There were a couple little long pieces, so I'm just gonna go in and clip that really quickly. I'm not gonna clip the hair or anything like that because it's already perfectly done. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of water to the hair. I'm not going to completely saturate it. I just really want to make the curls pop, and I don't want to take too long on it. So I'm just adding a little bit of water, making sure that it is nice and damp all over enough so that I can add some mousse and make the curls pop. Okay, now I'm adding a very generous amount of mousse to the hair. I'm fully coating all of the hair all over. After I add the mousse, I'm just gonna let the hair air dry. And yeah, that's basically it. Like, this is such an easy install, y'all. I didn't do much to it at all, as you can see. Okay, y'all, so I'm done adding the mousse all over, and you can see how the curls are just like nice and tame and defined. I'm giving you guys some up close look of the curls and how they look, and the hairline and everything like that. I'm just gonna clip my hair out of my face with my little metal clips, and then I'm gonna let the hair air dry for about like 45 minutes to an hour. I just went and did a little bit of work around the house, and now I am back. So this is what it looks like, completely dry. I'm just separating the curls a little bit because I wanted to have like kind of a big hair effect. And honestly, that's all I'm really doing to it. I love how the hairline looks. They did a really good job of plucking the hairline. This curly hair is the perfect density. I love how full it is, but it is very lightweight. And as you can see, it has a lot of movement, and body is very nice, light and airy, and the curls are defined from the top to the bottom. It's super, super cute, super easy install, very beginner friendly. So yeah, if you guys like this wear and go wig from Alipearl Hair, I would definitely have the link down below in the description. Thank you so much, Alipearl Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Don't step on the trip.